I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
So it's 7:45 and I basically just woke up like 5 minutes ago. Cause I'm trying to wake up so that I can come out here and heat the car up before we have to go. Excuse me. It's not that cold outside today though. It's only 45 right now. So there was no ice on the windshield or whatever, I'm so tired because I don't know what it is. I've not been able to go to sleep before 2 o'clock the past week. When we took a couple days off to for Thanksgiving, it was just our sleep schedule got really messed up. I'm really low energy, I'm sorry, but I really every time I vlog, I'm looking at my eyebrows and I'm I need to do them. I'm looking at the stuff that's hanging on our house. It looks like there's 2 different greens on these candy canes. And I can't tell if it's because of where the light is hitting it or if it's just 2 different colors. I'm just alright. Looks kind of weird, but I don't think it's the way that the light is hitting it. I'm just sitting there staring into space. Anyway, welcome to Vlogmas day 9 or 10. I really don't know. Yeah, I'm just sitting here. I see 3 squirrels sitting in this yard. They're literally just sitting there. They're not moving. I don't know what's going on. I've never seen squirrels just sit like this. Okay, they're moving now. Have y'all ever heard of how killed all these birds and then they replaced them with fake birds and they're watching us? Now that's sketchy. That is sketchy. I saw this TikTok and it was this girl saw a bird outside of her window. It was she lived on the 2nd floor and she had a tree beside her thing. What is that in the tree? Oh Lord Jesus. Don't get me started. Anyway, there was a bird in the tree and it had been sitting there for a minute and then it just looked fake. And then she came back a couple hours and I'm pretty sure it was in the same spot. So yeah, oh my gosh, thank God the car's starting to warm up because I'm cold. That just kind of tripping me out that those greens are 2 different colors. And I didn't notice it before. How did I notice that? I want to know. Look. Look right here. Thank you. So we've been listening to Meghan Trainor's Christmas album, and then we listened to some Pentatonics last night on the way home. And we also listened to Lady A, which is Lady Antebellum, by the way. They rebranded. They rebranded, so they are now Lady A. Well, these squirrels. Okay, 2 of them are moving, but I see one and it has not moved at all. It's so weird. Oh, so right now I'm filming on my phone, but I bought a mount for my camera. So, like a section cut mount that I have like for my phone, but it's for my camera. So I can start bringing my camera with me and like vlogging on my camera, and it will be better quality, like, you know. Good morning. I'm so tired. What time did you end up going to sleep?
I don't even know. I had to get up in the middle of the night and take melatonin.
Really?
So I could not get comfortable.
I was out as soon as I laid down.
Like, that's how I was, and then I woke up, and when I woke up, I could not get comfortable again.
I'm sorry.
So I got up, took 2 times. I don't even know what time that was. I didn't even look at my phone.
Well, I know this morning it said you Snapchat me 4 hours ago. So that had to have been like 3:30.
Something like that. So like I Snapchat my good night streaks or whatever, and then I fell asleep with my phone in the bed.
Nice, chill out.
And then like I got up to look for my charger. I guess I left that at Mama's house in the bathroom. Yeah. And then so I plugged my phone up using the charger I already plugged up, and I was like, you know, woke up because my neck was hurting from my pillows. I had to figure that out.
You just couldn't get comfortable.
Nope.
Well, you need to text your mom and tell her about your charger.
And then the water started coming out brown in the bathroom sink while I was brushing my teeth.
Well, I don't know why it does that. Is it like flushing the system out or something?
I guess so.
Because it'll like do that. Or does it do it like when the seasons change? I don't know. Man, folks are really out this morning. Usually folks ain't even like thinking about being out. Like 4 cars just pulled in to the Chevy place. Y'all trying to buy cars? They either try to buy cars or they work there. I don't know. Come on. Sit. She's like, nah, you called me over here. There better be somebody here. And there's not. Did the time change again and we don't know it? What kind of mess is this? Alright, so as per usual, I'm back in bed. who we are. Ain't it messy? We like to go back to sleep. She's looking at me like, are you talking to me? Oh, me. So, anyway, I'm gonna go back to bed for like an hour. And then wake up, and I gotta go to work. Alright y'all, it is time for day 3 of Elf unboxing. Alright y'all, so I just I had to refilm my Elf unboxing for TikTok, and I decided I would take this little clear bag and put everything that I got from the advent calendar and then do like a wrap up of everything that I got. This was from a gift set from last year, from Soap and Glory, and it's a really cute little bag. So I'm going to, I think that I will do a makeup look at the end of December with all the stuff that I got in the advent calendar. Like, I think that would be kind of cool. So it is currently 10:50, and I like woke up an hour ago, or maybe a little bit more. I fell asleep. I did not mean to. Like, I took a nap, and I slept for longer than I thought I was going to. So anyway, I fell asleep around like, I think like 7 maybe. Let me check. Yeah, I fell asleep around like 7, and then I woke up at like 9:30. I remember waking up at like 8:30, and then I like laid my head back down, and then all of a sudden I woke up an hour later. So whatever. What am I gonna do about it now? But I'm definitely gonna have to like take a melatonin tonight to go to sleep. So I'm just about to edit this TikTok that I did, and then post it, and I have to do a thumbnail for tomorrow, and I really need to edit some more of my vlogmas videos. This is why I like to pre-film, so that I'm not like rushing like that night to like get it done. Like, pressure is not my friend, so that's why I started early. Anyway, I hope you guys have been enjoying these videos, and I will see y'all tomorrow for a brand new vlogmas.